All right, guys, good evening. We're back off the road. We're back off the road. But there's something I just need to share with you. So I'm hoping you're having a great evening where you are. And just thank you to Mojo Jojo for giving me for sending me the information as I asked about star apples. I said in the video yesterday I wasn't sure where the name star apple came from, but she sent me some information, guys, and here, let's go. So we talk about star apple, and I didn't know because I've never cut a star apple in half this way. Yesterday when I cut the star apple, I cut it long side, and Mojo Jojo sent me a picture, guys, with the star apple, showing me this is what the inside looks like, and that is why they call them star apples. So there you have it, the Jamaican exotic star apple. If you cut the inside, you see that it has those things on it. So they just call it star apple. So that's how that is. So yeah, we were on the road today. We did quite a few things. We did quite a few things. Turn on the air if you're saying so. It has the remote. The remote is in the case right there. Yeah. No, it's not. It's the white one. And just press the power button at the top, the orange button at the top. There you go. Put it up to 20, please. Yeah. So today we're on the road, guys. We got a lot of things done. Oh, it says there's an up button. Ooh. Is this adding? No. I don't know, the one in the room. So good. It's all right, let me sit under it. Thank you. Yeah. So when we went out, we got a lot done, and we're home. We're home now, so I'm thankful. It's hot now. Inside it's hot, but outside it's very cool. So I'm going back on the veranda to sit. Just wanted to do this video for you guys. Call it a day. Have a great night.